everybody. My name is Shifa Anjum Gonar. I am from MGM school. I am studying 4th standard. Today I tell about EBS seminar. Topic is the organ system. What is the organ? The body parts which perform a specific function in our body is called organ. There are two types of organs. That is external organs and internal organs. External organs means we can see and we can touch is called external organs. Example: head, eyes, nose, teeth, lips, mouth and ears. Internal organs means it presents inside our body. We cannot see and we cannot touch. It's called internal organs. Example: brain, heart, lungs, stomach and etc. What is the organ system? A group of organs working together to perform a series of functions in our body is called the organ system. There are so many organ systems in our body. Example: digestive system, circulatory system, skeletal system, nervous system and so many. Today we discuss about the digestive system. Digestive system convert food we eat into nutrients and blood sent to be all parts of the body. We get energy to work and play and etc. Parts of the digestive system: mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and anus. Mouth is a beginning part of the digestive system and the anus is the end part of the digestive system. First we bite food in our mouth. Mouth has teeth, tongue and salivary glands. There are four main types of teeth, that is incisor, canine, premolar and molar. Teeth help us to bite, chew, grin, tearing the food. And next, tongue is a muscular organ. It presents in our mouth and it helps us to identify different taste food and it roll the food. Next one is salivary glands. Saliva is a watery secretion. It presents in our mouth. It helps us to food make soft and smooth. Next, esophagus. Esophagus is a 25 cm. It connects to the mouth to the stomach and it is a hollow tube. It helps us to swallow the food esophagus to the stomach. Stomach is a J-shaped muscular organ. It has some digestive juices. Food stays 4 or 5 hours in the stomach and food mixes with the digestive juices and partially digested food goes to the small intestine. Small intestine is a 6 meter in length. It is a thin tube. It has three parts, that is duodenum, jejunum and ileum. And small intestine food break down into nutrients and blood sent to be all parts of the body and food finally digested in the small intestine. And waste material goes to the large intestine. Large intestine is a 1.5 meter and it is a thick tube. It wraps into the small intestine and it helps us to absorb the water content. And it is also have three parts, that is ascending colon, descending colon and sigmoid colon. Next, last is the anus. The waste material pushed to the anus. Anus is a small opening through. It helps us to throw out waste material outside our body. That waste material is called stool. Today we discuss about the digestive system. And a digestive system converts food we eat into nutrients. Blood sent to be all parts of the body. We get energy. Thank you one and all.